right.
Does anybody want to go on a tour of the creepy basement?
That's what we're doing.
It's architecturally nice.
It's cool.
It's cold.
It is cold down there. Stinky.
Some of our fuse panels.
Oh, there's one.
We don't know what this was.
I wonder if that was along
Some kind of gardening trough.
Maybe wash. Maybe that's where they did the wash.
I don't know. This used to be a stairs from the kitchen. It's kind of rotted out right now. If they put a new floor in behind the kitchen, I guess they needed more storage. Good old cast iron plumbing. Nice water softener.
At one point in time, all this was insulated and it had plaster on it. And of course, all that has fallen. So they even had a radiator here, down here, I guess.
I'm sure. Keep it from freezing down here.
Yeah.
Are you getting the arches?
Yeah, this is really cool. It has an archway here, and then the door has a is arched, so that's kind of cool. There's one.
Just keep your...
And all the doorways are arched, which is really cool.
Go in here.
There's an old steamer trunk. Pretty cool. The roots growing through the foundation. Okay, here we go. That's, you can see.
That's the hole where we've been working.
Yeah. All right, oh, there's another fuse box. Watch your head. Oh, watch your head. All right. All the strings and wires.
Turn left.
Left. Okay. I wonder if those were for gardening.
An antique sofa.
Yeah. Electric panels. The walls are really cool. Again, another archway.
Termite tubes.
They're not active though, are they?
Nope. This one is.
Oh, yep. squeeze in when you need it. All right.
Keep going. Show my posts.
Okay, this is where Frank has been working. There's all his support wall, or post, I guess you could say, to support all those. What size are those?
2x12s.
2x12s.
See, look at the floor there.
And see how rotted it is. And how that 2x12, it just kind of ends.
Go walk around down there.
Plumbing.
Show the disaster of the. Plumbers used to cut into floor joists back then too. Video of
Let's see how that beam is gone. And the floors. Wait, the joist. Whoop! There's the other half over there.
That's why we have to have posts up. 'Cause they're not attached on this end. Okay. Show me
Cut that floor in the room above.
this. The joist should be.
It's where one should. This is where Frank found the snake. The stairs that go up to the floor at the top of the stairs is gone as well. This is the plumbing to that little sink there, the entryway. Perfect.
You can narrate, maybe.
Hmm.
You can talk.
Did you catch that plumbing was to that sink in
They don't know what that is.
all this has got to go. It's holding moisture that of course it's coming in from everywhere, but we got to get that out of here. And lots of debris. Does this have a cement floor?
A little bit.
love the panel. An old work table. That's pretty cool. This was the coal room, and there's still some coal in there. They used to, I'm not sure how they got it all in, but I guess they used a coal chute or something, but you can see the level of coal, just how black the walls are. There's still some down here. Didn't burn it all. Frank crawled through that little tiny hole. And that's under the parlor and under the music room and the front porch. Hey everybody! Thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time!